A laboratory has many needs. It must be functional, efficient, safe, and flexible. Most importantly, labs must be designed to meet the specific requirements of the science it is intended for. Since 1985, Norlab has been helping our clients meet those requirements with the design, supply, service, and installation of laboratory, healthcare, and pharmacy FF&E across Canada. At Norlab, we listen carefully to your needs, budgets, and processes to find the best products that meet your specific requirements. As a member of the Solutions group of companies, our team of industrial designers, project managers, and product specialists can provide unprecedented product support with a curated list of industry-leading vendors from across multiple disciplines to fulfill your project requests. We are experienced in multiple levels of project support that seamlessly tie into collaborative delivery models from schematic through final design, specification, and budgeting. Support can include projected budgets and schedules, product recommendations, and producing full specification packages. We believe that becoming involved in the beginning of a project ensures proper user and building team engagement, eliminating late changes and hidden issues. We also provide consultancy services to architects designing laboratories. We can assist with design, user interviews, product and material selection, and full specification packages, providing a complete solution for your laboratory project while working seamlessly within your team. Our streamlined process is one of our greatest assets. We understand the importance of working together as a team, both within our company and with you. While we have a large team of specialists on staff working on your project, you are in constant contact with just one person throughout this entire process. Modern construction is built on technology. Using online reporting applications, we provide real-time updates from our manufacturers and field teams on manpower, schedules, and deficiencies. Our design teams use the latest design programs including renderings, 3D modeling, and BIM support. We understand the high consequences of delay when setting up a laboratory, and we proactively work with you to avoid them, potentially saving the project both time and money. Norlab provides all the necessary support, design, specification, and budget, making us the best possible partner for your business. For more information, please visit our website or feel free to contact us.